Hi everyone. So I got these beef shanks on sale at the grocery store. They've been in my freezer for about a month. I just took them out and I'm going to show you guys how to make them. So come with me if you want to know how. So I'm going to start with a cup and a half of flour. In the flour, I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon of all of the spices. So salt, rosemary, onion powder, and pepper. Normally, we'd put garlic in here as well, but one of my family members has a garlic allergy, so we're not going to use any garlic. If you'd like to, that's up to you. And there's the teaspoon. So I've added all my spices except for the rosemary. As you see, I could not get the top off, but we'll work with it. You want to season this flour mixture generously because we're going to be simmering the meat for so long. You need a lot of flavor. All right, so now we have our meat. As you can see, there is a bone in the middle. This is bone marrow. If you are interested in anti-aging, you know about collagen, and the bone marrow has collagen in it. So this is what you want to eat if you want to look younger. And what we're going to do is we're just going to dredge these in the flour mixture. So you're going to coat them on each side and then shake off any excess flour. And then now we're going to cook them on both sides in a hot pan with olive oil. And I'm just flipping them. This is how you want them to look on each side when they're done. You're not cooking them all the way through. You're just getting them crispy on the outside. So those are done, and now I'm going to add 2 diced onions and 2 mushrooms. Typically, you don't use mushrooms in this recipe, but I really like them. So we cooked our mushrooms down. Okay, so the mushrooms and onions have cooked. Add about 3 cups of water to the mushrooms and onions. It has 2 bouillon cubes in it that I've been letting soak. I would prefer to use beef broth, but this is just a hack. If you don't have any, you could use chicken broth, or you can use the bouillon cubes, which I only had chicken bouillon cubes. So that's what we're going with because that's what we have. So I'm just going to stir this up so that the bouillon cubes dissolve with the water. And I'll boil it for a couple seconds as well, just to make sure that they disintegrate. So I transferred that broth mixture to a bigger pot. This is my Dutch oven. And now I'm going to just take the shanks and I'm going to put them into our broth. Now this is a braise, not a, like we're not boiling this, so you don't need that much liquid in your pot. Just enough so that it covers the meat. So this did end up being enough. I was worried, but they were fine. All right, now I'm going to add my carrots and celery. This was 1 celery stalk and like 6 baby carrots chopped up. I'm going to re-season, or I'm going to add seasoning to the liquid because I didn't season it besides the bouillon cubes. Just adding the exact same seasonings to the liquid as I did to that flour mixture. All right, so now I'm going to bring it to a boil, and then I'm going to put a lid on and simmer it on low heat for 3 hours. All right. It's been 3 hours. It is done. I'm going to show you guys the meat is falling off of the bones. I'm going to plate this up. So there's the bone. And as you can see, all of the marrow cooked out of the bone. So it's all in that liquid. So you want to make sure to eat that up. So that's it for this recipe. If you like it, give me a heart, subscribe to my YouTube, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. See you guys in the next one. Bye.